We're coming out of a quiet Monday that had Japan, the US, and Canada in holiday mode. There hasn't been a whole lot of change in market levels since last Friday's close, though what little we have seen has been more risk off than not. A lot of this comes from updates on the US China trade front, with investors feeling less comfortable about trade deal prospects after the news circulated that China would be looking for more talks before considering a partial trade deal with the US. Meanwhile, on the Brexit front, we're still waiting to see if a deal will get done to avoid a disorderly Brexit at the end of the month. Finland's Prime Minister said more time would be needed for Brexit negotiations, while Queen Elizabeth said the UK's government's priority was to leave the EU on October 31st. While we aren't sure exactly how all of this plays out, we continue to hold the view that whatever the case, it's quite clear no parties involved are interested in seeing a disorderly Brexit outcome, which ultimately should be more supportive of the pound than not. So long as there is no disorderly Brexit at the end of this month, we think the balance of risk favors a pound that will be wanting to move higher, not lower. Looking ahead, key standouts on Tuesday's calendar come in the form of Eurozone and German ZEW reads, UK employment data, a Fed Dudley speech, and the New Zealand GDT auction. That's all for now.